What is good, YouTube? Shit, today we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up the Scatpack. We're gonna see how much that costs. I want to give you guys a little cold start. Well, it's not a cold start because I've been driving this all morning, but it's still loud. I want you guys to hear it. I be scaring people. I gotta do some reaction videos. But it's not gonna stay on because I gotta check engine light, but it's nothing serious. It's just because it's talking about my cats, which I don't have. I don't have no cats. So I mean, it is what it is. Oh, I gotta go this way. So as you can see by the title of this video, it's gonna be we're gonna see how much it takes to fill up this Scatpack. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club because man, they got, I don't want to say they got the best gas, but I want to say like their shit is like, it's a good price. I'm just gonna say that it's at a good price. Like I was going to Shells for a little bit, but since you know, their price has been like, what? It's been like $4.50. I mean, that's probably like low to some of y'all because, you know, y'all probably live in Cali or some shit, you know, but man, Houston, they say Houston has like the cheapest gas, so we'll see. We'll see, you know. But Sam's Club, you know, they've been having gas on the low, you know, and it's good quality. It's not, you know, one of them shady gas stations, like, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. What type of gas stations do you guys go to? Like, let me know. Oh, that was a little Camaro back there. I forgot to even, his shit wasn't making no noise, so I didn't even record his shit. But if y'all seen it, I mean, it was a little black drop top Camaro. My gas is low. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look how low it is. I'm about to get stranded. Shit. My range right now is probably at, I hate that, like when you get low in like Dodges, they don't tell you like exactly how many range miles. It just automatically defaults to low. Like I don't like that shit. I don't know. It's just me, but I don't like it. Like I at least want to know how much, you know, I need. Like how long is it? Like tell me I got a mile left, damn it. But I know a lot of people would probably be stretching that mile of range. Y'all should try to guess how much it's gonna cost to fill this bad baby up. Oh yeah, my car got a name too. I call it the Big Bad Wolf. I used to call it Big Bull, but I like the Big Bad Wolf better. What y'all think? Y'all think I should keep calling it Big Bad Wolf or Big Bull? This motherfucker is big. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna try to take a thumbnail too. Yes, sir. Let's see how much it costs to fill this up real quick. That shit on. Yeah. Oh fuck, I forgot to press the button. Gotta freaking turn on this little app. Freaking man. Look at how much gas it is. It's not too bad. That's why I like to come to Sam's Club to get gas, because you know Man, the line be long as hell too. It be hella long. I'm like, damn. So I put 64, look, $64, but that's probably with the 87, my shit. If I put 20 gallons up in there, that shit's gonna be like 90, maybe more. So yeah, we're gonna see how much this shit costs. Let me see if I can try to take a thumbnail too. Yeah, I had to take my thumbnail, y'all. So anyway, we back at it. Where we at right now? Yeah, okay. $24. This motherfucker, I wanna guess this shit probably gonna take like, it's probably gonna be like 70. Maybe $70. And mind y'all, I fill up like 3 times a week. Sometimes 4 times, because I've been daily driving the fuck out of this car, I ain't gonna lie. I need some more wheels. I don't like these wheels. I want to get them Hellcat wheels on it. And man, my shit kind of bald, low key, kinda. It's kind of bald, but man, look at this. Like, I don't like that, man. I want to get these Brembros back red. I don't really like that yellow. I mean, it makes it stand out. It makes it pop out a little bit. So I'll see. I'm finna go home and cook. Man, come on now. Don't play with me. Finna make some nachos. I got cheese at home, lettuce and shit. Alright, look where we at. Now, the tank, I want to say the tank is like, what, 16 gallon? 16 or 17 gallon? $61, there we go. Yeah, it's like a 17, 18, I think 18 gallon. But I tried to get it low as I could for y'all. Man. Yeah, so if I would have went to like Shells or something, I'll be trying to get people's reactions when I be starting this car up. All right, so there was no, but like if you're like directly behind my exhaust when I start this shit up, man, it'd be scaring the fuck out of people. That should be funny as hell. I need to start like making reaction videos, cause I think y'all would find that amusing. Okay, shit. Now we're gonna dry this shit a little bit more, you know, give you guys a little bit of content. If y'all haven't already, try to check out my my night POV vid that I dropped. Probably like, I think it was like a few days ago. Try to check that out. I was cutting up. And look, I'm at 215 range. That's not too bad, but I be seeing like people with brand new like Scats and shit, they should be like at 250, 249. Not me, not mine. Let me put my seatbelt on, you know. I don't wanna annoy y'all with that noise. Yeah, man. Yeah, I was cutting up in that last video. Y'all gotta see that, man. For real. Y'all gonna like that one. Trying to learn how to use these. Oh, it's a TRX. Look at the TRX, man. Damn. You gonna little boy me. Don't bully me on YouTube, man. Damn, that shit look hard. Oh, I gotta put on sport. that shit, damn, that shit nice. It just looks like so, like, it looks like a fucking tank, man. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, that shit just made me wet. What the fuck? Wow. Man, oh man, yeah. I need to get me one. I just want to have one just because. Like, my goal in life is to, like, own all the versions of the Hellcats. Like, fuck a foreign. I don't want no foreign, man. I don't give a fuck about. I can get two shits about a foreign. Maybe, I mean, like, the lamb trucks are nice, but I don't know, man. I feel like it's just overhyped and overpriced for no reason. Like, you could just get a Trackhawk for less of the price, or a Durango for less of the price. Like, man, he gave me a little pull action. That shit was nice. But yeah, y'all, that's how much it costs to fill up you know, a Scatpack. It was like $61. It's usually more. So, like, you know, if I would have went to Shells, it's like $4.50, maybe $4. It's like $4-something per gallon. So yeah, it would have probably been like 70. Something slight, you know. But yeah, I spend like over 200 a week. I be daily driving the fuck out of this car, which I shouldn't be, but it is what it is. You know, if you're gonna buy it, drive it. I love y'all, man. Y'all stay up. Make sure to tune into my videos. Keep supporting me. I love my supporters. Subscribe, like, comment. It helps. And I'll keep on bringing you guys bangers. The videos are only going to get better. I promise. Peace.